Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Study Steno. Today I am going to dictate you a wonderful dictation. So get ready students, start. Through its judgment in the two civil appeals, the state of Madhya Pradesh and others versus Anish Avasthi and the Madhya Pradesh and others versus Balendu Yadav, delivered on November 18, 2021, a division bench of the Supreme Court, consisting of Justices M. R. Shah and Sanjeev Khanna, has reiterated the position of law settled by it earlier, with its direction to the appellants to consider appointment of the respondents within bracket dependent oblique heir of the deceased employee bracket close in these appeals, on compassionate ground, only as per the policy prevalent at the time of death of the deceased employee and not the subsequent policy. Stop para. The death of the concerned employee occurred on October 8, 2015, at the time of death, he was working as a work charge employee, who was paid salary from the contingency fund. Stop. As per the policy oblique circular on of September 29, 2014, prevalent at the time of his death, his dependents oblique heirs were not entitled to the appointment on compassionate ground and were entitled of rupees 2 lakh as compensatory amount. Stop. Subsequently, the policy came to be amended via the circular of August 31, 2016, under which even in the case of death of the work charge employee, his heirs oblique dependents will be entitled to the appointment on compassionate ground. Stop. Relying upon this subsequent policy oblique circular, the HC division bench directed the appellants to consider the case of these respondents for appointment on compassionate grounds. Stop. The Supreme Court has reminded that in its decision of the case Indian Bank and others versus Promila and another within bracket 2020 bracket close to SCC 729, it has observed and held that claim for compassionate appointment must be decided only on the basis of relevant scheme prevalent on the date of the demise of the employee and subsequent scheme cannot be looked into. Stop. Similar view has been taken by the Supreme Court in the case of State of Madhya Pradesh and others versus Amit Shrivas within bracket 2020 bracket close 10 SCC 496. Stop. In this case, the very scheme applicable in the present case was under consideration and it was held that the scheme prevalent on the date of death of the deceased employee is only to be considered. Stop. In that view of the matter, the impugned judgment and ordered passed by the SC division bench is unsustainable and deserves to be quashed and set aside. Stop para. The submission on behalf of the respondent that after the impugned judgment and order passed by the HC, the respondent has been appointed and therefore, his appointment may not be disturbed, deserves rejection. Stop. Once the judgment and order passed by the SC division bench, under which respondent is appointed is quashed and set aside, necessary consequences shall follow and appointment of the respondents, which was pursuant to the impugned judgment and order passed by the HC division bench cannot be protected. Stop feeling aggrieved and dissatisfied with the judgment and order passed by the Madhya Pradesh HC Division Bench at Jabalpur on December 12, 2080, through which the appeal was allowed, quashing and setting aside the judgment delivered by a single judge bench of the same HC, with direction that the appellants herein original respondents to consider the claim of the respondents herein within bracket the original writ petitioners bracket close for appointment on compassionate ground, the state of Madhya Pradesh has preferred these appeals. स्टॉप फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.